Now we are going to create our first generic function. First of all, I would like to teach you how to install TypeScript on your machine. You have to open your terminal. I'm going to use VS Code built-in terminal. You have to install TypeScript globally. If you're using Mac, you can use the sudo keyword. I have already installed TypeScript on my machine. You can see my version 3.5.3. Now it's time to create our first TypeScript file. I'm going to put some TypeScript code here. Let's say I have created the hello world class, and it will accept the one argument when you instantiate this class. I'm going to instantiate this class hello world. I'm going to provide the message. Welcome to TypeScript. I'm going to run this object, which is hello world. How do you compile or execute the TypeScript? You can use TSC, and I'm going to write the name of our file, app.ts. Now you will see the app.js file. This is the JavaScript here. TSC compiler, this TSC command or compiler has compiled the TypeScript into JavaScript. And you can see that here we have the function, stuff like that. Now I'm going to run the application by using node app.js. Here you will see the welcome to TypeScript. Welcome to TypeScript, because we have provided this message, and you can see the complete object, hello world. But I don't want to run node app.js manually. What I'm going to do, I'm going to init the project. I have to create the package.json file. Now I'm going to add some script here, and it should be, I'm going to use the def here. First of all, I need to compile my application, tsc app.ts, and I'm also going to run the app.js, which is our compiled JavaScript file. npm run def. Awesome, amazing. So we have done our TypeScript setup. In the next video, we will create our first generic function.